Hi, little dreamer. Today we're slowing down. Let's take our time and meet the calmest, quietest animals on earth. No rush, just relax. Breathe and learn your ABCs from A to Z. A is for armadillo, rolling slow. B is for box turtle, steady we go. C is for caterpillar, inch by inch. D is for dugong, soft as a pinch. Slow and steady, A to Z, moving gently, peacefully. Every step a calm delight. Slow is special day and night. E is for elephant snail on the sand. F is for flatfish, close to the land. G is for Galapagos tortoise, wise and old. H is for hermit crab, carrying its home of gold. Slow and steady, A to Z, moving gently, peacefully. Every step a calm delight. Slow is special day and night. Isopod, deep and small. J is for jellyfish, drifting for all. K is for koala, sleepy and kind. L is for limpet, hard to find. M is for manatee, floating free. N is for nautilus, deep in the sea. O is for owl, sloth, hanging tight. P is for pangolin, calm at night. Q is for quokka, smiling slow. R is for rhino beetle, on the go. S is for sloth, taking a nap. T is for tortoise, slow clap clap. U is for urchin, on the reef. V is for velvet worm, beyond belief. W is for wombat, patient and sweet. X is for xenopus frog, slow little feet. Y is for yak, calm and strong. Z is for zebra, seahorse, floating along. Slow and steady, A to Z, calm and happy as can be. No need to hurry, just take your time. Peaceful hearts in every rhyme. Slow is fine, slow is kind. Take it easy, free your mind. Every creature has its pace. Slow and steady wins the race. Good job, little explorers. You sang the ABCs of the slowest animals. Remember, it's okay to take your time. Come relax with us again at Happy Songland, where learning moves at the perfect pace.